don't care what the others say, and I still think of you night and day.
Alright, this just arrived from Amazon. Don't know what any of these Chinese words say. Just know that it is a gaming mechanical keyboard. So this is the unboxing and small review of that. So let's open it up. And so they had several options to pick on the website. I liked the way the silver and the white keys looked. So, and if this is going to be a permanent use on the iMac, I kind of wanted to match that look. So that's why I chose this. The cool thing about this mechanical keyboard also, as I've not even got into yet, is that it is RGB, meaning it's backlit with various colors. Very nice indeed. Not sure what this is, but I'll set it right there. And I'll put the packaging on the floor. So let's have a look. And by the way, very clicky, which is what you know most people like with mechanical keyboards. So there's a close look of it. Very nice finish. Like I said, silver on top, and that's a really nice logo right there. Really nice logo. Really high quality, it feels like. So this whole thing is just seems like it's pretty high quality. So now what we're gonna do is gonna go ahead and hook it up to the iMac, and I will take you to that area with me. So stay tuned.
You know I never will make it by, and I can't breathe if it isn't you and I won't make it without you by my side. I can walk, can't stand, can't talk, can't fly without you. I'm so lost without you. I won't make it without you.
Okay, so I have the keyboard hooked up. Found out that this is a key puller, is what this is. And yeah, all the instructions are in Chinese, so I don't speak Mandarin. Sorry. Anyway, so I got this hooked up. This is the default setting. I did raise the brightness, and to do that, I'll show you. You hit the function key, and then you hit down, and that lowers and turns it off, even if you know if you don't want any backlit at all. But I'm gonna have mine all the way up. I love LEDs. We're at the max. So to get started, I'm just gonna show you a few things that this is pretty cool for $35, and then actually I paid $24. That's what the price is as of right now, as of this recording. This keyboard is $24. I'm obviously gonna link it below so you can buy one yourself. But here we go. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna hit the function key, and we're gonna start with INS. And so what this mode does is when you hit a key, it lights up the key. Isn't that cool? This is very cool. So I tried to make it, let me see if I make this a little darker so you can see a little better. There we go. Daylight when I'm filming this. But anyway, so as you can see, I'm typing along here and the keys light up when they're pressed. Very cool. That's a cool function. Next one, we're gonna go with home, and this is just the default. No matter what you do, what you press, they're just always lit up. Nothing wrong with that. We're gonna go to page up. So I'm hitting the function key. Don't forget, hit the function key, page up. We've got dancing LEDs constantly. This is probably the default. This is probably what's gonna be for me as default. I love the way this looks. I think it's amazing. Next, we're gonna go to function page down. And we've got where it reacts to your press. So the keys only light up when you type, which is very cool. So type a lot, you got a constant dance going on here, and then when you're done, it goes away. So next, we are gonna go function end. and that turns it off. So it doesn't, nothing's lit up. Then function delete. You got a little snake game going on here. Very cool. And you can adjust the speed. So if you go to function plus, I have it set to the fast setting. I can slow it all the way down to the slowest setting. And there you go. So it'll go slow. So let me show you what that looks like with page up. Isn't that cool? So cool. Page down. That's the one where you just type. And there it goes slow. Very nice. I love this keyboard. $35. In my case, $24. You get all these. Like, I have a Razer keyboard. I love Razer, don't get me wrong, but this is nice. From China. From China. This is amazing. Amazingly built. So, and it looks metal. It's not really metal. It just has a metal looking finish. And you can choose. I chose the white keys. You can get this in black. You can get this black keys, the black metal plate thing. That's really plastic. I liked the silver and white because it matches the iMac. So I guess I could have got black keys with silver. That'd look cool too. But this is fine. I like the white keys. So, but yeah, we'll go ahead and go. That's function. And then that's what that does. Slowly, I hit function INS, which means insert, I believe. So yeah, very cool. Very cool. And then we've got function F10. You've got this setting, which I think is for certain games, I want to say. I could be wrong. Function F9. Again, it's kind of just random that they're lit up like that. If I sped it up all the way, there you go. So yeah, they're just different things. But I obviously like that. So that'll be most likely how I use this keyboard. Let me see what it looks like slowed down. So if I go to function minus. Okay, that's as slow as it goes. I'll want it faster than that. There you go. That's not so bad. That's not so epileptic. Because if you do it all the way, it's chaos. So, which is kind of cool. I don't know. I may have it like this. I may slow it down. But there you go. I will link this keyboard below, guys. Check it out yourself. I love this. Shout out to Julian, who showed me this keyboard. He found this keyboard on Amazon, I guess. And when he showed me his, I had to get one. And so I did. So anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. I will link this keyboard below. And you can configure it as you see fit on Amazon.com. I'm just gonna link the one I bought below. Okay, so sorry about the ambient noise. There's a few more functions I wanted to show you real quick. Alexa, turn off the office lights.
Okay.
I totally didn't even see these. So here's print screen with the function key. You've got a pulsing function. Print screen with the screen lock. You've got like a pulsing that way, kind of flickering, I guess. And then you've got function with the pause button. And you've got that. And I think I like that more than the other, which was that. That's cool, but I'm liking the way that's looking. That's looking kind of cool. So I don't know. I'll play around, pick a setting I like, and then go from there. All right, for real this time, thanks for watching, guys. I will link this below, like I said in the last clip, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.